an example of a woman that I'm still seeing now. She's 25 years old, and she has pretty bad eczema. She came to me with eczema. She did not know she had leaky gut. But as soon as I started going over with her some of the symptoms of leaky gut, she immediately identified and said, yeah, I've had gas, bloating, difficulty digesting so many foods all my life. And she saw the correlation between leaky gut and the eczema. Started doing acupuncture on her weekly, and she's improving really, really, really well. The main improvement she started to see was that the itching stopped. So the redness is still there, but she doesn't have this incredible itching that keeps her awake all night. I'm also using on her homeopathic sulfur, 30C. One of the keynotes of sulfur is the person could be a little more hot-tempered, outgoing, somewhat egocentric, strong personality. They kick off the blankets at night. They tend to be hot. They do not like taking baths and showers. It just makes the eczema and all the other symptoms even worse. We're working on changing her diet. Two main things were to stop gluten and dairy. Again, that's cow's dairy. You're welcome to do sheep's and goats. The sheep and the goat has a digestive tract similar to us. The cow does not. So we have a lot of trouble digesting cow's milk, dairy products, whether it's yogurt, cheese, or milk. And then substituting, she likes bread and pasta. So she was able to find at some of the local health food stores gluten-free substitutes. So she's using those for her sandwiches, for her bread, and found some really tasty rice and millet pastas. I have her on my favorite digestive enzyme, which is called Pamplex 2. It's an integrative therapeutics product. Have her on my favorite probiotic, which is called Core Biotic, research nutraceutical product, very, very good. It's inexpensive, soil and spore based. And then I have her on the Chinese herb ginseng and astragalus, and that's a pretty common Chinese formula, which strengthens what we call the middle burner or the digestive tract. So it helps digestion. It also gives energy, and it also can clear some of the heat out of the system, which again can be created through the leaky gut. So she's very happy with the treatment. She's going to keep coming for a while on the weekly acupuncture, because not only is it helping to cure the eczema and the digestion, but she just feels better. She just feels a lot more relaxed, is sleeping better, and she's finding that she gets along with her boyfriend better because her mood is more serene and stable.